Hi, it's Tim at Dine Niagara. Today we're going to show you how to process a delivery request to request a driver directly through the system. In this case, we've actually got some orders that have been placed. I've got two different types. One is an as soon as possible order, you can see here, where the customer would just like the order as quickly as we can get it to them. The other one's actually a scheduled delivery where we see an order time requested for 4 p.m. In both cases, you'll see there's a new column here that shows you the delivery, pickup, ETA, and time. This would be the time that the driver is expected to be there. At this point, we haven't requested a driver, so obviously that's blank. So first I'm going to process the one that is as soon as possible. I just go into the order. You'll see that everything is the same as it used to be. Your order is here with all the details, any comments. It's been paid online. And the menu options are here, along with any delivery or tips or anything that might need to be here. Order's been confirmed. Everything's all set up. In this case, I'm now going to tap this new button that showed up that says Request a Delivery. The system is going to ask me for a pickup ready time. So this is when can I have the food ready? We default this to your normal default pickup delay. So in most cases, this will be 20 to 25 minutes for most restaurants, but it may vary for yours. You can adjust that based on how busy your kitchen actually is. So if you're going to pick this one up, then we can go ahead and do that here and change the time itself. If there is alcohol in the order and you need to have the driver check for ID, you'll want to turn on this flag here that requires ID checking. That will ensure that we get you a driver that is smart served and will verify the ID on delivery. Once you've got the time right, just save and request, and you will find that this is now changed to show you that the third-party delivery company has been contacted, and we have a 4-minute ETA for a driver to come pick up the order. Obviously, that will be aligned to whatever you told the system should be the default for your order. If you want to see the details on the order, just click on, or on the delivery, click on View Details. You'll see all the information we have about the customer here. So customer phone number, their address, the delivery details, including the tip if it was left, the taxes, the total on your order, when it's been requested for pickup. And in addition, once a driver's been assigned, you will see the courier name and the courier phone number will show up here on this in case there's ever a problem. You can always go back to the order anytime you like as well, and you'll see that the status has also been automatically updated for you. We will keep the status in sync with the delivery to make sure the customer is always up to date. Once it's been accepted by the delivery company, it will move into the preparation status. Once the driver picks up the order, it will automatically move into the delivery status. And when it's complete and the driver's confirmed that the food's been delivered, the order will be marked complete on your system as well. Now I'm just going to show you the slight difference. When we go back here, you can see that the pickup time has been scheduled and the driver should be arriving at 2:50 p.m. As we kind of noted in the order details. Slight difference when you have a scheduled order. So in this case, the customer does not want the food until 4 p.m., even though we could have it to them by close to 3 p.m. In this case, again, I go into the order. I've got a request delivery button. I tap the request delivery button. The only thing you have to set when it is a scheduled delivery is whether or not there's alcohol in the order. Aside from that, nothing else to change. We will automatically set the pickup time based on a 20-minute delivery time. So we will set the time to be 20 minutes before the delivery request. We'll let you know that that's there, and we'll say, okay, save and request. Again, third-party delivery ETA to pickup shows up here as TBD minutes. That's actually from the order. That will become a time once the delivery company assigns a driver and it's been scheduled in their system. And again, the delivery is all here. You can see what's happening. The delivery is going to be at approximately 71 minutes because it's been requested for 4 p.m. When I go back to my orders, you will see that we've set a target prep time for you so that you can see it's going to be ready around 3:40. The driver could be a little bit later than that, but we've set the time to be defaulted to 20 minutes before so that you've got the food ready when the driver should be coming. If you have any questions, as always, call our support line. We're here to help. But that's how you're going to process and request a driver in the new Dine Niagara integrated delivery system.